YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Hannah, and before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you know every time I post. In today's video, it's going to be a hair video because I need to take out my knotless braids. But I already started taking out some because they're pulling my edges out. But it's a moment of truth now to see what these things look like. So I had a headband on every day. I've been wearing a headband every day to school since the first time I got it in. And gosh, oh gosh, what phone? Oh, okay, this is a mess. But we're gonna start with this side, and like put some parts of this ponytail. And we're gonna cut some parts. Alrighty. Now all this is going in the ponytail. Okay, y'all, so I want to check out this side. Let me tell y'all, my hair has grown a lot because when we cut it down, like look back at the watermelon challenge, look back at that and see how short my hair was and then how much it has grown over the time. Okay, now it's time to do probably just middle, then the side, and then so be right back once I do this middle side. Alright, y'all, so I finally took out my hair. Now I'm finna wash it. I just finished washing it. Shrinkage is real. I don't know if people know. So we're gonna blow dry it. We're gonna blow dry it to get it dry. The costs are coming out at the same time, so it can be. Can you pick it up? Where my pick at, but I got a comb, so I need to dry it. Y'all, when I said it's gonna take some time to comb this thing out, like I don't know how long it's gonna take, but here we go. I should walk in school like this tomorrow. But y'all thought I was bald, but I ain't. We're gonna just put some edges gel up here, and we're gonna make it go back like that much. Yeah, that much. Then we're gonna put a headband around it, and then tie it, bonnet, and done. Okay, time to do this. So nothing keeps my edges down. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my edge control for the and leave them up. So we don't know how to do. Like where this can go and we just yeah. Alright, y'all, look at this though. And this how I can wear to school tomorrow. See which one fit better. I'm gonna try this one first. Alright. Okay. And that's it. That's it. That's all. Who going to school this tomorrow? Me. Because who cares? Not me. So this is how big my hair. Most of my head. Anyway. Alright, y'all. That is the end of today's video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.